Okay, I am live. I am live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my show. My show is all about telling you guys what I see on a chart. Okay, I am a professional day trader and swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I also swing trade the cryptos. So me personally, I only look at the charts because the charts will never, ever lie to you. Okay, and that's the tool that I use to make money consistently. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. We're gonna look at Bitcoin chart, a few others, and basically I'm gonna tell you what I see. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. During the live stream, I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. And if you're watching that replay, you can actually speed up the video, hitting speed and hitting 1.5 or 2. So let's see if I see anybody in the building so far. Let me pop out the chat room. All right. Hopefully I can make this a quick stream. But shout out to everybody that's here. Okay. On a Friday night, we had a crazy week in the crypto markets. Crazy week. I hope you guys made some money. But if you're watching my stream or video, the replay, and you're not making no money from this markets, then I think you should just rethink your whole strategy. Shout out to Cedric, NN, Randy, Fetch. Shout out to all you guys. Yeah, rethink your whole strategy because there's so much money to be made in these markets. Okay, even if you're not making money, at least you're trying to study to figure out how to make money. Okay, if you're not even doing that, then I don't know what to say. It's time to wake up. It's time to get to that next level. What's going on, Chance? What's going on, Adam? Good to see you guys here. So, guys, let me give you guys a round of applause. Appreciate it. Thanks for joining me on a Friday night. Hope you guys had a good week. I hope you guys going to have a good weekend. Me personally, I'm going to relax, just chill. But the market itself, guys, is back to normal, I guess. Volume wise, the market cap went back to 200 billion. Okay, right now it's 201. Bitcoin dominance 54%. Okay, most likely we will continue to see that go up because when these altcoins go down, Bitcoin dominance is going to go up. It's just what it is. So this weekend might be crazy. It might be a continuation this weekend. We don't know. Lately, the weekend's been slow. Lately, the weekend's been real slow. So I don't know if the weekend is going to be that sell-off, but it might be. It might be. It might, might surprise everybody. So, just keep that in mind that this weekend might just get ugly. All right. We might see a lot of people cry. A lot of people get depressed this weekend. So be prepared, guys. Okay. Me personally, like I said before, guys, I don't buy dips. I don't buy dips in the bear market. All right. I participate. Okay. I participate in the market going down. Because I know personally I can't help or I can't do anything about the market going down. So instead of waiting, I might as well just, just make money until that bull market comes. So right now, BTC looks like it's going to continue to go back to these lows. All right. Honestly, I feel, I know a lot of people is probably going to try to buy these dips. I feel sorry for the people that's trying to buy these dips right here. I think it's a strong, like, honestly, guys, it's like a strong possibility these guys are going to get wiped out. I don't know if it's going to be soon, but if you notice that this bounce right here is a small little bounce, okay? So that means it's weak. So anybody that's buying these dips right here, honestly, you know, it's sad, but just be careful, all right? I definitely see another move to the downside. I don't think Bitcoin wants to go up anymore. I mean, it could go up to let's see. I mean, it can go to 64, but I don't think it wants to go to 64. All right. But we'll see. We'll definitely see. There's a possibility it could go to 64. But overall, I believe that this is it. I believe that we will hit that 57 mark and probably stay above. I mean, below that level, probably for the whole year. So, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. During my live streams, I try to answer questions. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. So let's see if I see any questions so far. What's going on, XRP fam? Red, what's going on? What's going on, Dom? What's going on, NN? You said you're in the shower while listening to your stream. Yo, shout out to Dom. He says he's in the shower while listening to the stream. I mean, you got speakers in the shower, Dom? How you listening? You got speakers in the shower? That's crazy. Red said, I think this is just a landing before it goes down the rest of the staircase. Yeah, so yeah, this is pretty much, I believe it's a wrap. That 57 level is, I mean, honestly, guys, I mean, let's keep it real. That's why if you look at if you look at the heading of the stream, okay, I said news will not save you, okay, and that's true. News will not save you, guys, all right? If you don't know that by now, I mean, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. I know most YouTubers, I know this, when people come to my stream, they say, man, you know what? You don't sound like most YouTubers. And honestly, guys, it's just common sense. News this whole year has not been working, okay? So it's it's simple. News should tell you automatically that it doesn't matter, especially in the bear market. Especially in the bear market. So this is why I said forget the news. It will not save you. We had so many coins launched a mainnet this year. Coins went live on Coinbase. Coins went live, period. Good news all around. And every month, coins are just dropping like flies, okay? Dropping. So I don't know when I don't get it when people are going to wake up. This is why I made that video yesterday or a day before yesterday about these YouTubers. It's because I'm here to tell the truth. Some people's like, oh man, worry about yourself. Why you talking about other YouTubers? First of all, I didn't name no name. Okay, I didn't say I didn't specifically say any type of any YouTuber name. That's number one. And number two, I can say whatever I want because this platform is about speaking the truth. Okay, so if your crypto YouTuber is lying to you, I can't sit back and just let that happen. Okay, I have to speak the truth. Especially, a guy like me that's doing this full time, that understands the market. I really have to speak the truth. Okay, because I'm doing this. Okay, every single day. And these guys that on YouTube hyping things up every single day, reading the news to you guys. This is why I named this "The News Will Not Save You," because that's all they do is read the news every single day. I mean, guys, you guys don't get tired of that? I don't get it. I mean, guys, let's just use simple common sense. Okay? If you get burned by the stove the first time, how many times you have to go back to realize every time you get burned, it's going to hurt? Okay? I just don't get it. Why some people, they don't want to use their common sense. These YouTubers, just all they do is just read news, guys. All right? Word by word, and tell you, hey man, this is good news. Wait next month. So guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, all I'm trying to say is the news is nothing, okay? And it will not put money in your pocket. The news is just made up, and that's it. Okay, let's go to these other charts. Ethereum, what's good? Ethereum looks like it's trying to go right back to these lows. All these charts have these small little bounces. Okay, a small bounce. So that tells me this is weak. That's all it tells me. That's a weak bounce. Okay, so I know a lot of people ask me about Litecoin had a decent bounce, but I'm quite sure this thing will continue to go back down. XRP had that bounce, but it is actually finding resistance, and it's, a couple of people asked me about XRP in a Discord room today, and they said, hey man, you think that is a good for a long? I told them, hey man, I wouldn't touch it. Me personally, I'm not touching XRP for a long, because they thought that this was a flag right here. Okay, I was like, bro, me personally, I'm not touching this. If you want to buy this, hey man, that's on you. Me personally, nah. I believe that this coin right here is a money maker right here to the downside. All right. I believe it will fill this gap that it created. Okay, so we most likely will go right back down to the 28-cent lows. So, back to the news, guys. Back to the news. The news will not save you. If you don't know by now, I really don't know what to say to you. A lot of people always come to my live stream and just basically tell me news. That's all they do. Hey, Ben, what about this? What about that? What about it? Is it putting money in your pocket? That's my next question. Yes. Okay, you read in the news. Congratulations. You just read the news. Now, is it putting money in your pocket? That's the next question. Let me see. Let me go back to what's going on, Keith? Davina, what's going on, Davina? Let me see here. Jamal, what's going on? Dead cat bounce. Yes, this thing look weak. Tim said I'm not buying anything right now, just watching on the sideline. Shout out to you. That's you're Tim. You're a smart man. You're a smart man. Lord of the Boys said he's shorting XRP. So Lord of the Boys, he's trying to make this money. So shout out to him. Lord of the Boys is really trying to make this money. Glenn, shout out to you. Randy. Jamal said the news is purposely misleading towards the retail traders. Shout out to Jamal. Man, where my bomb at? I mean, I don't even have my bomb. Let me look. Let me shout out. Let me look for that bomb. Shout out to Jamal. He's spitting that fire. He said the news purposely misleads or misleading towards retail traders, and that's so true. Okay, you think CNBC will? You have to understand, guys. I mean, let's use common sense. Okay, let's use common sense. All right, CNBC has millions of viewers. You really think that they're going to tell millions of viewers the right thing so they can make money? Are you kidding me? You really think CNBC is going to tell you the right thing so you can make money? No, bro. You think they want millions of people to get rich? No. All right? They don't want millions of people to get rich. So for all your guys that come on my live stream and tell me, "Hey man, well, what about the ETFs? What about BACT? What about this? What about that?" Bro, you just reading stuff, okay? It's this stuff that you read online. Just words, just piece of the paper, something that someone made up, okay? It doesn't hold any weight. You have to understand the game, how the game is played. And the rich, they control the news. So let me go back. Let me read these questions. Lord of Boy said, "But the Chinese New Year's, right?" Now we have a storm. Yeah, let me check my weather, guys. Let me check the weather. Let me see. It's raining right now, guys. So I think since it's raining right now, I think the market is gonna drop. You know, because of the news. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we had it was a YouTuber yesterday. Honestly, I should blast him right now, but I'm quite sure you guys know who he is. Said that the reason why the market was crashing because some hurricane. Oh man, entertainment. Adam said that YouTuber video was well done, Ben. Shout out to Adam, man. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Fesh said Crypto Reaper will come for Crypto RS. You can't fool us to death with the fake news. Oh man, that's funny. You said how come it's 100 difference from your chart? Right now, I'm using Kraken, whatever you call that thing. So I don't know why is the difference, Randy. Lakers said BTC and XRP is about to drop again. Yes, money makers, guys. I'm telling you right now, money makers. Money makers. People on the sidelines complaining about the market. People on the sidelines complaining about the market while there's money right in front of them right now, guys. Right in front of your face. You just got to look hard, guys. You have to open your mind. That's it. You have to stop thinking that you know it all. Humble yourself and say, you know what? It's time to learn. Money right in front of your face. John Doe, what's going on, man? John Doe said, I'm loving the group and course player. So shout out to John Doe. John Doe is actually one of my new students. He bought the course last week. So he's saying that he's loving the course and the Discord. So shout out to him. Ben, is there any way to predict when the bear market will end looking at the charts over the last 5 years? Well, it's very, I'm not going to say it's easy to predict, okay? It's not. Okay, it's not easy, but at the same time, what I look for, it's very simple, guys. What I look for is just volume, okay? And not only that, I look for higher highs, all right? So let's go back to the last crash. All right, so let's go back to the last crash. And shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. I've been getting some subscribers lately, so shout out to all my new subscribers. If you're watching this, shout out to you. If you want to learn more, definitely stick around. I don't sugarcoat anything. I don't have a reason to, because I mean, I really don't care if people subscribe or unsubscribe, okay? I tell the truth, and that's it. So guys, this is the bottom right here. If you notice, okay, notice this. You see how it was a big dump, and then we had buys come in. All right, so basically we saw like one last big dump. So a lot of volume came in the market. All right, now another thing you notice is the market was sideways. Okay, the market was sideways for a while. So we trading sideways, okay? Then it finally broke out of this consolidation, okay? All right. Now, let's say that you were smart enough to buy right here, okay? Boom, you could have got in right here. But let's say that you wanted more confirmation, which is, you know, I wouldn't blame you if you want more confirmation, because sometimes a bear market is brutal, so you don't want to just buy everything. Okay, so you can wait. You can wait for higher highs. Okay, that's what I love to see, higher highs. Most people in this crypto world, all they want to do, guys, is trying to time the bottom and lose money. I mean, guys, I don't really understand why you want to lose money for. Okay, wait for confirmation, and you're not gonna get left out. I mean, most people in this crypto world are so backwards, okay, because it's not their fault. It's not your guys' fault. It's because these stupid YouTubers, all right? You have most 99.9% or 98% of YouTubers are trying to time the bottom. So if you see this, right, this is actually a great buy. Number one is a nice little triangle, okay? And number two, we broke out of this, so we making higher highs, all right? So if I saw this, man, listen, I'm getting in. All right. So basically, what you saw right here was very simple. A lot of volume just dropping like crazy. Then you see buys buy it up. You see consolidate for a while. Broke out of the consolidation. Okay. It pulled back to the consolidation. Found support. Went straight back up. Consolidate even more. Formed the triangle. Boom. Broke out of the triangle. Okay, that's showing you buyers are in the market. Okay, if you look at BTC now, it's nothing like this. There's no buyers in the market. Okay, so for all your guys that's trying to time the bottom, guys, you don't need to time the bottom, because once the bull market comes, you're gonna make money regardless. Okay, so let's say that you waited for confirmation. Okay, let's say that you heard my live stream, and let's say I was, you know, doing YouTube videos back in 2016, right? And you heard my YouTube videos, and you said, you know what, I want to be a professional, so I'm not going to FOMO. I'm going to wait for confirmation. And you waited, right? And you see higher highs, higher lows. Okay, you see the market break out. And let's say you bought at 500. Okay, let's say you bought Bitcoin at 500. Would you complain if you sold anywhere near, let's say 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, would you complain? Would you say, "Oh man, I wish I caught the bottom"? No, you wouldn't say that because you made so much money. Okay? So for all you guys that's trying to time the bottom, guys, cut it out. You're just gonna stress yourself out. You're just gonna lose so much money. You're gonna tie up so much money. You're gonna tie up all your savings, okay? Because a bear market is so brutal to the point where it can actually last for years, okay? I'm not talking about regular years. When I say years, most people think 1 or 2. No, I'm talking about 5 years, 6 years, okay? So for you guys that's trying to time the bottom, chill out. Wait for confirmation. You'll be okay. All right, so back to the comments. Boy, let's see here. Load of the boy said I was not looking for a long on XRP, but for a short after a possible pump. I hear you. People don't realize price has nothing to do with news. News can be good, but don't mean price is going to change. Shout out to John Doe. Let me give him that bomb. He's spitting fire, guys. Just because news came out doesn't mean the price is going to change. Shout out to John Doe. Do I use Elliott Wave? No, I don't use Elliott Wave, Brad. Nah. But John, I don't know what that means. You said that big investment banks could easily buy Bitcoin that the FBI had from Silk Road. But I mean, even though, I mean, what does that mean? Laker said news won't change the price, but will utility. You said, but will utility. I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say. Adam, do you short coins on Kraken? No, I don't. I have JAFAX. Charlie said Bitcoin looks like it's going to spill over. Yes, it does look like it's going to spill. And it looks so weak right now. It's look real weak. We might see a weekend dump, but you know, we will see. What's going on, John? Let's get this money. Yes, let's get this money. Let's get this crypto. Thunder said yes. Finally caught you live. Shout out to you, Thunder. Thunder, where you from? You from the United States? Shout out to you, man. G Slick said, do I stack silver? What do I think about silver long term? I don't know. I mean, that's a good question. I don't stack silver though. No, I don't stack silver. Would I think about it long term? I don't know. You know, I'm thinking eventually silver will go up. But my next question will be, how long is it going to take? I mean, goodness gracious. That's my next thing, you know. I mean, if you know anything about me, you know that I'm not really a long-term holder like that. I really don't like to buy and hold. Right now, at the stage I'm at, I'm all about just adding on to my wealth, okay? I think everybody on this live stream should be about that too. I mean, if you want to have long-term investments, you can do that too. Okay, but I believe that if you guys, if you don't have 10 million plus in a bank account right now, honestly, I really believe that you shouldn't be putting all your wealth into one coin or one stock and hoping that it will go up to the moon. Honestly, that's dangerous. That's real dangerous to do. I believe that you should try. I mean, most of you guys, some of you guys is young, and even if you're 40, okay, 40 or 50, you still have a lot of years left. So, you guys should be trying to come up with any type of skill. You know, if you know me, if you've been following me, you know that I always preach this, guys. I always tell you guys, come up. You know, I don't care if it's selling clothes in the flea market or on eBay or Craigslist. I don't care. You know, come up with some type of skill that will allow you to just create more money for yourself monthly. Okay, you need to increase your monthly cash flow. That's going to help you eventually lead you to leaving your job, because you know that's all I preach. That's all I preach, guys. I don't want you guys to work. That's a trap. Okay, your 9 to 5 is a trap. It will never ever make you or have you spend time with your family like you want to, and you're not going to live the life that you deserve. Okay, you guys are not going to live the life that you deserve working at a 9 to 5. Okay, so you know me personally, you know that I'm not. Honestly, I don't really care too much about buying and holding, because it doesn't. It just, you know, honestly, I can't just wait 10 years, 20 years for something that I hope is going to work out. Okay, but I mean, if you want to put money in that silver or gold, you know, I don't blame you. I don't blame if you want to put, you know, money in silver and gold. But at the same time, you know, me personally, I don't like to give financial advice on a live stream. But I mean, most of you guys are pretty young on this live stream, so put your head down, start building skills so you can create that monthly income. Okay, let me go back to these questions here. JA, what's going on? Dunder's from the UK, bro, so shout out to Dunder. I mean, yes, shout out to Dunder. He's from that UK. That's what's up, man. So, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I don't know how long I'm going to be on the live stream. If you don't have my course by now, check it out. Usually I give that discount on my live stream. So, anybody that been asking me about my course and can't catch me on my live stream, well, I'm going to give you that discount right now. All right. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel. I know some of you guys are tired of listening to these YouTubers that's claiming crazy numbers, and every single month the market is going down. So I know if eventually some of you guys are going to wake up. Okay, this course will show you how to become a professional, and the best thing it will do is basically help you navigate through these bear markets and help you make money now in the bear markets. Okay, it will help you do that, because that's what I do. That's what my students do. So check that out. It comes with a Discord room. You can chat with me and my students. Right now, Bitcoin is dropping, XRP dropping, Litecoin dropping, Ethereum dropping, and most likely this thing will continue to drop. All right. So you just have to prepare yourself and get ready. Let me see here. Let me move this. This thing is getting on my nerves. Let me move this over here. Oh man. So what you guys doing this weekend, guys? Any guys doing anything crazy this weekend? I'm about to, as soon as I get off this live stream, I'm about to watch some basketball. I'll just chill out, watch some basketball. Let me see here. What's going on with this Tron, guys? Anybody know about this situation with Tron? Tron CEO tweets out, you know, forthcoming partnership. So I mean, guys, let me know, because you know Justin's son. Justin's son is all about some type of promotion every month. You gotta give it to him. You gotta give it to Justin's son. He knows how to promote. Okay, he's very good at marketing. Every single month is something new. So I mean, what's the deal with this, guys? Anybody know? Actually, let's look at Tron TRX chart right now. And I remember somebody asking me about this. Okay, I remember someone asking me about this. You see how I had this line right here? And somebody was asking me about Tron TRX, and I was like, Tron TRX has resistance right here. And I mean, I don't know how many videos I have to make to show you guys that technical analysis work. Resistance, sell. Okay, so right now Tron is on sell mode right now. It's probably going to set up to do. Tron is probably going to have a nice setup soon to go short. But anyway, anybody know what's going on with this? Let me know in the chat. Let me see what's going on here. Thunder said, I'm getting my funds together this weekend to get your course, bro. So shout out to Thunder, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your support. John said, I'm working at the strip club. Shout out to you, John. Hey, man. That's what's up. Nothing wrong with that. Adam said, hey, everybody, if you're new, I highly recommend the course. I just bought it, and it changed my perspective. Its value, it's excellent. So shout out to Adam. Thanks a lot, Adam. Let me give you a round of applause. Appreciate that. Okay. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. King said nothing crazy. Halloween. Okay. Yes, Halloween. Swazzer said Justin's son is the master of hype, and that's so true. Justin's son knows how to market. Okay, so hey, man, it is what it is. He knows he knows how to market his coin. So I got to give that to him. But I think, well, I'm not gonna say because some people might get hype, from that, but I think it's gonna come to a point where most people are just gonna get tired of news. I think it's gonna come to that point. I think. Okay, I mean, I'm not too sure because what I see right now in the crypto world I just shake my head. How some people just still believe in news while the whole year the market been going down with good news. Let me see here. I'm reading these comments real quick. Leslie Sarah said, I'm probably going to watch college football, study the charts. All right. That's what's up, man. Study those charts, guys. That's what's up. You got to study. You got to study. Guys, you have to study, man. It's just how it works. Okay? You can't just be lazy and expect $1 million the next day. So shout out to Leslie Savage. He definitely gets it. You said you're gonna watch Kevin Hart movie like in an hour. What movie is that, King? You talking about the movie with him and that female? I forgot her name. I think Tiffany or something like that. Brad said Tron hype. Yeah, I mean right now he's hyping it up. Swazzer said Ben made me think I was the oldest on the stream with my 40 years. Wow, how old is Swazzer? I think Swaz is what? He's like 40 something, right? Adam said, I heard that Tron News is 10 million partner has been made, but didn't say who. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I don't know who. I mean, I remember somebody said in the Discord, Ripple and Tron, but I doubt that. I doubt Ripple and Tron come together. Let me see here. G Slick said I'm 38 and far behind. What do you mean? Oh, you say you're not far behind? Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm 36. So shout out to Keith, guys. Keith gave me this super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. Keith gave me the $20 super chat, guys, and he says shout out to Big Ben for bringing us together. He said bringing us so much value. I'm sorry, I'm bugging out. So shout out to Big Ben for bringing us so much value and knowledge. New subscribers get Ben's course and join this Discord. Now come on crypto market and give us some more action. Yeah, shout out to the crypto market. Please give us some more action this weekend, okay? Because, you know, lately the weekend's been quiet. So hopefully we will see some action this weekend, all right? I'm telling you right now, though, this looks like continuation. So be careful for anybody that's buying the bottoms. Let me see here. What's going on, Jason? But shout out to Keith once again. Thanks a lot for that super chat. I appreciate it. Let me see. James said, excuse for the typo. Yeah, don't worry about that. I do a lot of typos, so I don't really care about that. Because when I type, I'm always in a rush. So I was just sorry I joined late, bro. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. G Slick said I'll be researching all weekend. Yes. Researching G Slick. What you been researching? Jay say took a bit hit on portfolio at the course of the weekend. What happened to the on the weekend? JA, what happened to the weekend? Adam said I'm taking care of my grandma this weekend. That's so good, man. That's great to hear, Adam. That's great to hear. Let me give you a round of applause. Adam's taking care of his grandmother. That's good to hear. All right, let me go. I'm trying to, because I messed up these questions. All right, so I'm going back to these questions. JA said almost too good at marketing. I know, right? He's real good. So I just said 46 going on 14. That's what you have to have a young man mind, okay? If you have an old mind, you're just gonna get older and you're gonna start to not like life. You have to continue to stay young so you can enjoy life. Let me see here. You said Chance is the oldest. Is Chance? I don't know. A Chance is the oldest right now. I don't know. Anybody 50? Chance said, I think I won that one. I'm 51. Chance, you're still young though, man. I'm telling you right now, 51 is a good number. I mean, just think about it, Chance. I don't know if you work out, but if you keep your body good, okay, if you work out, eat good, keep your body, even at 50, I'm quite sure you can still operate pretty good, okay, and if you hustle for, let's say that you give yourself a good 2 to 3 years, you're gonna be what, 2 to 3 years, you'll be 50, 53, 54. Okay, that's still young, right? And if you start seeing success and, making money at that age, that's good, okay? Because at that age, you're not walking around with a cane, right? If you're not walking around with a cane, then you're good. So to me, 50 is still a good number, all right? I know a lot of people, and this is funny because when I came, I live, I lived in New York all my life, and I came to Florida like 2 years ago, and I like to play basketball, so I was playing basketball, and the court that I was playing at, you got 70-year-olds playing basketball. I'm like, goodness gracious. The oldest guy I played with was 81. I'm like, goodness gracious. But I mean, that guy. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. He don't move fast or anything like that. But there's a 71-year-old, actually 73-year-old playing basketball. So I mean, 50. If you're 50, you're good. So let me see here. King said, I agree with you, Keith. Thanks for the value you bring to the space. Yes, thanks, Keith. Keith is actually, let me give Keith another round of applause. He be motivating people. In the Discord. He gives people motivation in the Discord, so shout out to Keith. King, yes, okay. You said your girl wants to watch that? Yeah, I think I was going to watch that day before yesterday. Or yesterday. I forgot when I went to the movies. I think I went to the movies yesterday. I'm not too sure. Time goes by so quick. But instead, I went to see Venom instead. And Venom wasn't too bad. I actually brought my 7-month-year-old with me for the first time to the movie, so she actually didn't do too bad. She was sleeping a little bit, and then she woke up, fussed for a little bit, maybe a minute or two, but other than that, she was pretty good. Let me go back here. Trying to go through these questions real quick. Ben, you need coil so I can tip you with XRP. You want to tip me with XRP? Shout out to you, Brad. What's coil? I don't know. I don't know what coil is. That's an app or something. Brad said, I'm staying away from Times Square. I go parking ticket. So, Brad, you from New York? Brad, you from New York? G Slick Beach. Moving to the beach. City life. Shout out to Adam, guys. Shout out to Adam. Adam gave me that $2 super chat. Thanks for being here for us on a Friday night. So, let me give him a round of applause. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot for that super chat, Adam. Adam is definitely one of the good ones. Yeah, drop that bomb from Adam. Yeah, I'm gonna drop that bomb. Let me find that bomb. Shout out to Adam. You said you're interested in tutoring option you were talking about. I'm really digging the trading thing. I want to sort of put a few people down or give them an introduction. Email Fresh Waters. Jason, what are you talking about, Jason? I'm trying to figure out what you're talking about. G Slick said, I swim every day. Yes. I was thinking about that too. Start to swim. Brad said 80-year-old one crossover. he gonna break his hip. Oh man. Brent, what's going on with Tether? Should it be worried? Yeah, I think Tether is a bomb, but I don't think Tether is gonna bust anytime soon. I don't think so. I think it's probably gonna hold up, but eventually it's probably gonna break. King said he's 25 over here, so shout out to King. He's still young. 25. Fetcher says he's 28. All you guys are still young. That's what's up, man. That's you know, that's the best time. You gotta, you know, you be hungry. You gotta be hungry when you're young. Shout out to Dom. I'm trying to man, these questions. Let me go over these questions real quick. I ain't know how many these many questions. All right. Jason said Jamaica Queens in the building, Linden Boulevard. Yo, shout out to Jason. What you know about Linden Boulevard, Jason? Jason, what you know about Linden Boulevard? What you know about that? What you know about the dollar vans, Jason? What you know about the dollar vans? Coil is a tipping app for Ripple. I'm in Philly, visiting New York. Okay, so shout out to Brad. He's from Philly, visiting New York. Yeah, well, I gotta look into that Coil app then, Brad. I don't know anything about that Coil app. I never heard of it before. You said there was a live stream tutoring. You said you was considering offering. Oh, okay. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, Jason. So you said I saw an email at the end of your thing. So Jason, you can email me. You have my email address? You have my email address? Because I might forget to email you. You can email me. Let me give you my email address. Yeah, I might start that soon. I might start a day trading class soon because people have been asking me about it. So let me see here. Oh, shout out to shout out to Randy. Randy gave me that $10 super chat. Shout out to him. Randy's actually one of my loyal subscribers. Shout out to him, man. Thanks a lot for chilling with me on a Friday. Definitely appreciate it. What's going on, Sandy? What's going on, man? I hear you, Jason. Adam said, thanks for that bomb. Yeah, man. Adam said, how do you feel about most altcoins? The altcoins, most of them have similar charts. Yeah, I know. You're right. Most of them have similar charts. That's why I try not to, you know, go too crazy on the charts that I look at. I basically look at XRP. I look at Ethereum, Litecoin. I mean, you know, most of these coins are going down together, and they pretty much look the same. And that's how the crypto market works. If you go to the stock market, it's much, you know, much different than that. But the crypto market is so new, and you got Bitcoin that pretty much dominates everything. If Bitcoin goes down, I guess everybody else is going down. So, unfortunately, you know, man, it looks like XRP is setting up. So keep that in mind. Let me see. Jason says St. Albans. You said $4 van. You said 4 van. How much is that dollar van now, Jason? Last time I was riding it, I think it was $250 at the time. How much is that dollar van now? You know. John said, "What do you know about Corona Queens?" Shout out to Corona Queens. I ain't been to Corona in a minute. I'm trying to read these questions real quick. Anybody sell those electric bikes they got now? Nah. It said it goes up to 70 miles per hour. No, I didn't see any bikes like that. 70 miles per hour a bike? Goodness gracious. That's crazy. That's fast right there. 70 miles per hour? Sheesh. Deeply said, ha ha ha. So you're saying that when the Dow go up or down, other markets do the same? I didn't say that. I said the stock market is different. I mean, I don't know who's deeply. Deeply, I don't know who you are. But I didn't see that. JA, what's going on? You said you took a big hit. I'm going to study all weekend. JA, what you did wrong? Let me know what you did wrong. Fetch said time for a glass of whiskey. Trimming the profits from yesterday drop. So Fetch, you made some money off that drop yesterday? Shout out to you then, man. You made money off that drop. I didn't know that. Shout out to you. So Adam said he got to go. Have a great weekend. Let me give Adam a round of applause. Shout out to Adam, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. And thanks again for that super chat. I'm about to get out here myself. I'm getting a little tired. It is Friday, so about to watch some basketball, chill out. I guess drink some water. But guys, if you have any more questions before I leave, let me know. Yeah, XRP looks it looks weak right now. We finding some type of resistance at this breakout right here. So XRP definitely looks like it's weak right now. So Fed said he made 870 and lost. So he made 7,000. So shout out to him, making 70 yesterday. That's what's up. So who that asked me? Jason, right? Jason, you have my email? You can email me. You said okay, got it. Okay, yeah. So email me if you want to learn more about that. Mason said, "What do you think about Litecoin?" Not really. I mean, honestly, these other altcoins, they pretty much following Bitcoin. So Litecoin itself, me personally, you know, I think it will continue to go down. I think I had. Let me zoom out real quick. I think I had something circled. Yeah, so I had this line right here. So I can definitely see Litecoin go to either 30 something. Well, let me zoom in a little bit more. What price is that? 35, 36. 35, 36. I could definitely see Litecoin go there. All right, so I'm about to get out of here. DGB is a good time to buy. Fed said got greedy and lost 100. Too late. Well, yeah, I hear you, man. At least you made some money. Keith said get some rest. You've been putting out the work. Yes, man. I'm about to get some rest. Ben, do you think the stock market will have a crash this year, or can they delay it months? So basically, guys, the stock market crashed already. A lot of people don't understand. The stock market crashed already, okay? But it didn't show up. It didn't show up in the market until, what, last week or this week? So you can basically look at the tech stocks, okay? The tech stocks is going to show you everything, okay? So let's look at some tech stocks. I don't know off the hot. Let's look at Snap. Let's see how Snap looks. So Snap is just dropping. Let's see what else stock that went crazy not too long ago. There's a lot of stocks that went, you know, crazy. And basically the market just followed those stocks. So me personally, what do I think? I think that we could crash, but before we continue to crash, we're going to go up first and then maybe go right back down. So no, I don't think we're probably going to crash this year. It might be next year, something like that. Because I don't think they just want to crash it this year. I don't think they want to crash it this year. But a lot of volatility is in the market. I tell you that much. So but you know, these markets been so bullish that, you know, seeing this thing go all the way back up wouldn't surprise me. But this is a big crash right here, a real big crash. So any crash that you see, especially when it's dropping like that, it always snap back. Okay, so we might see a snap back. It might not go all the way back to the high, but it just might snap back and just reverse and just continue to drop, and that might take months. Okay, so it'll probably be next year or the end of the next year. You might see some type of drop. They're not gonna let it crash that easily, you know, that easy. So it's gonna be definitely gonna Gotta be patient on that. Yeah, the Dow Jones, they crashed. Yeah, 800 points. Yes. Uh-huh. I don't know. Load of the boards. What will happen to the U.S. dollar? I'm not too sure. If it breaks, the stock market breaks structure. I'm not too sure, but honestly, the stock market, they're not gonna let it crash like that. We will see most likely a bounce. Okay, actually, we're seeing a bounce right now. So if you look at this, we seeing a bounce right now. So it's not gonna be an easy fight. Okay. Eventually, yes, it's gonna crash. Eventually, it's gonna crash, but it's not gonna be that easy. So let me see here before I get out of here. AMD, I don't know. Oh yeah, AMD was a stock that was crashing, right? AMD looks horrible. Last time I checked it. Let me see. Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's not that bad. It's just pulling back. Well, it is pulling back a lot though. Yeah, AMD is actually. It looks like one of these. One of these crypto coins that just went straight up. So yes, AMD. This definitely looks like the top for AMD. I mean, look at it. Every stock that does a crazy move like this, like a straight line move, then you know what's up. You know what's coming next. Okay, look at any crypto coin right now. Most of these crypto coins did a straight move just like that, just like AMD, and then it shot right back down. So AMD definitely looks like a bubble, and I wouldn't be surprised if it goes all the way back down to the $15 level. You said your friend was telling me it was a good time to get in Tron since I missed it last time. Let me look at Tron. Let me see Tron. It might. I don't like it, but it's a possibility. You know. I mean, it broke out of this, was pretty nice. My only beef with this is, I mean, this looks almost like a Head and Shoulders. It looks like almost like a Head and Shoulders type of situation. So I don't like this bearish pattern. I mean, it is, we could pop up, but I don't like this bearish pattern. Okay. So let me see if any more questions here. I'm about to get out of here. You said BTC will follow soon enough. Yes. Yeah, currency pairs have been making big moves. You're right. You said your feelings saddle people with more bigger debts. Yes. So that ties in completely attractive before the next crisis. Yeah, I mean, guys, you know, this market is going to, this is probably going to be a global collapse. So definitely, guys, got to get ready for that. But it's probably got to be no time soon. Golden On said Tim Sykes ain't got nothing on you. You funny. Oh man. Alright guys, so good night. I appreciate it. I'm getting tired. I want to watch these games, watch these basketball games. I appreciate it. What basketball game you're watching? I wanted to watch the Houston Rockets, and I think Golden State and the Lakers is playing later on too, I think. So I want to check those games out. Just chill out, you know. But shout out to you guys. Make sure you continue to study the charts. Okay. For you guys that just watching me for the first time, stop trying to make $1 million overnight. Stop thinking that your favorite coin is going to hit the moon. All right. The best thing to do is to study, learn how things work, so you can not depend on no one, not depend on the news, ETFs, the YouTubers. Okay, I don't want you guys to depend on nobody. Shout out to Golden Arm. Golden Arm gave me that $25 super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. $25 super chat, guys. Let me give him that bomb too. What is the bomb? Thanks a lot, Golden Arm, for giving me that super chat. And everyone else, everybody else that gave me that super chat today, thanks a lot. Okay, I appreciate it. Golden Arm said, buy that course, people. If you don't know what he's talking about this course. Okay, check it out. It comes with that Discord room, and I will see you guys in that Discord when I get off this. And this number that you see right here is only for the live stream. When I get off live stream, it goes back to 210. So thanks, guys, for just basically just chilling out with me on a Friday night. I don't know if I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow. I don't know. But if not, guys, have a great weekend. Make sure you study. Take care of yourself. Don't listen to the hate. And just continue to improve. Continue to try to go to the next level. Shout out to everybody again for giving me those super chats. Thanks a lot for just chilling out with me. And just be ready for BTC. We might have that drop tonight. Not tonight, this weekend. We might, okay? Lately, the weekend been really quiet. So this actually might be a heavy weekend. It might be a weekend where they just dump this thing. Get it over with. All right? They might want to just get it over with this weekend. Just drop this whole thing. So shout out to you guys. Appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the Discord room. Talk to you guys later.